Hello everyone, welcome to Saturday Cinema Podcast episode 2 and जब अगर episode 2 की बात है so we're going to talk about Pushpa 2. Well, with me today again cinema expert, cinephile. uh, अब आपका ऑडियो चला गया. Wonderful.
Huh?
अच्छा,
No.
oh my god was in
Oh my god, was it Whispers?
okay, so there's a good actor as well because
Oh my god.
much better. So yes, hello Akriti. I think we spoke we chatted a lot about the episode 2. I think ideal time है. बहुत कुछ unravel, talk, and the best part is again two sides of the coin. I think it's going to be a very very good discussion. So without any further ado, we are going to talk about the blockbuster that is making immense amount of money on the big screen. If I look at like total earnings of Pushpa 2, which I'm doing a quick Google right now, it is kind of looking around 1.2 like 1100 crore
Okay.
INR only is what it has grossed in just 4-5
10
days.
days.
No, when did it? हाँ ना 10 days. 10 days तो हो
Thursday,
गए.
right? Yeah.
Thursday हो गया. Thursday से एक week हो चुका है. Yes, it is.
Right.
6, 7, 13, 14. एक week, 1 week collection, huge numbers.
Yeah.
Coming in, breaking all records. सबसे पहला सवाल. And I want to address a few of the people who watch my channel as well. But we'll get to that. How was the movie? How did you like Pushpa 2?
I liked the first half quite a bit. Good build up. And I felt second half थोड़ा misplaced था. Lot of things out of focus. And so I was disappointed in the second half. I was expecting a good storyline in the second half, जो हुआ नहीं. So yeah.
Yeah, I mean, because I was following the movie like thoroughly of क्या हो रहा नहीं हो रहा, so I knew कि वो लोग कौन से angle पे kind of obviously a very strong first half for me as well.
Yes.
But by the end of first half, I was in kind of that zone कि यार यही पुष्पा की दुनिया है. Because you are already like 1 hour
Yeah.
कितना 3 घंटे 20 मिनट की फिल्म है. So you are already
1 hour
approximately
50 minutes probably.
you are probably there. And with that interval block that you have, you probably have bought into the idea कि हाँ यही पुष्पा की दुनिया है. He's dominating. He's going to do all that stuff. He's going to do the swagger is going to be the charter of you know what. At that time I remember मेरे दिमाग में था कि okay, now second half में story तो आगे बढ़ेगा and the Japan angle will come in because they're going to solve the problem. What I did not realize, which is अभी recently I have understood why, is because obviously second half it went थोड़ा first half तो proper that side, second half it went for sideways in terms of the story and where they wanted to place it. But in the end, when you see that Pushpa 3 Rampage coming up, you are like, okay, they had to do it to prolong it. And we'll talk about fan theories and what is the future of sorts, which I have read extensively about as well. That they have to do a 3 to name it, to make money, to mint a lot of money. The word on the street is that the shooting is complete. And
of part 3.
Yes, it is done. Everything is done. I mean, that is what I'm hearing. And in 121 days, they're going to probably bring it out also. So they don't want to delay it. Is what I've heard. I'm not sure whether this was just hoax or what. So movie कैसी लगी? I liked the movie because I had in the middle I had accepted it as it is. Obviously, second half was not that great. But in terms of from an Allu Arjun angle, I could see कि he has put everything in. मतलब he went all into from physically with dance, with you name it, any which ways to make it as big as possible. In terms.
See, I like to, particularly if I say there were two things I liked about this film. One is Allu Arjun and his performance because he has given everything to this role. उसका जो commitment है towards the character, जो massiness, you know, whatever you name it, he has, you know, done everything to make this work, right?
Absolutely.
So I liked Allu Arjun quite a lot in this film. And the second is I also like the chemistry between Rashmika and Allu Arjun because their scenes were quite funny. Unke jokes bhi बहुत land हो रहे थे. So yeah, so I like that also.
No, I really love that. We'll pause. Yeah, sorry for the technical difficulty. बड़े podcast में से छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. That is absolutely fine. We were talking about the chemistry between Allu Arjun and Rashmika. Like, I really loved it. I really enjoyed it. Yeah. The banter, you name it. I often since the trailer had come out, and guys, this conversation is going to be very free flowing. I'm not going to follow any structure, just like the movie. The way it was. If you remember the trailer, I had put a story. There was this the feet wala scene, जो उसके पैर से अपना, you know, उसपे I had put that the animal that she deserves. I put that story up because I really wanted really wanted you know, that kind of a cinematic debate of sort, that how do you place a lady in animal and a wife in animal and a wife over here in that space. भले ही पुरानी कहानी है and भले ही the chemistry is wild and it's right up there. I think it was a good thing to, you know, get it out of the system for Rashmika as well. मैं तो डर था सबसे ज़्यादा कि उसका रोल फालतू सा ना बन जाए, कि बस वो है और वो नहीं है, कि वो बस वो एक्शन हो रहा है, वो चुपचाप कहीं सहमी हुई है और ये भैया कर रहे हैं, and वो she should not become Tripti Dimri in that setup. But yeah, I think and by the end of the movie, you genuinely care for Rashmika's character. You want her to be safe. If you have seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about. You want her to be safe. You want things to go well wherever and whatever spot she's at, and she has been given good, you know, setups to act, to say, to deliver, and she does it really, really well. So even I enjoyed the part.
Yeah, I think all those scenes were a breath of fresh air because otherwise it was, मतलब एक ही टोन में पूरा फिल्म चल रहा था. It was only when those two were together कुछ थोड़ा light, which was also landing, you know, वैसा था. तो उनका banter तो बहुत अच्छा था, and it felt like they've done a lot of work in the past as well. I don't know about their Telugu films earlier, but उनका chemistry बहुत अच्छा है.
Yeah, no, I don't think they have worked together apart from Pushpa, but the chemistry is very, really good. So there are two very, very clear lines of thought that are out there. एक ग्रुप है जो बोलता है कि ये मूवी एकदम बिल्कुल ब्लॉकबस्टर है. एक ग्रुप बोलता है the movie is
ब्लॉकबस्टर तो है ही.
I mean, it's like not blockbuster in the money making sense. That is the numbers are speaking for themselves. But it's like the best movie made ever. ऐसे movie मतलब कमाल ही हो गया. और एक ग्रुप बोलता है this is trash. ठीक है? But I somewhere lie in the middle zone of these two setups. I feel कि मूवी में बहुत स्कोप था, but because of the world that they are in, इनको घूमना ही पड़ेगा. सैंडलवुड को यहाँ से यहाँ ले जा रहे हैं, थोड़ा पॉलिटिक्स, थोड़ा पुलिस, and that is the world. They cannot go beyond that. थोड़ा सा पॉलिटिक्स, थोड़ा सा सैंडलवुड, थोड़ा सा ये, थोड़ा सा mafiaism. They have very less scope to go anywhere in that world. And that is why that restrictive nature of things come into picture. क्योंकि इनके पास scope नहीं है. They cannot create a clone. They cannot get a mobile phone technology. They cannot do all of that. ये सब उस समय की बात है.
I kind of disagree with this. I am more lying towards the trash people who say the movie is trash, not the people trash, right? More towards them. That is because एक तो 3 hour 15 minutes की मूवी है जिसमें 2-3 सीन तो इतने लंबे और not contributing anything to the story. पहले तो जापान वाला सीन जिसका कोई कनेक्शन नहीं था. आई डोंट नो कि वो एंड में इन लोगों ने बस ऐसे डिस्कनेक्टेड पार्ट ऐड किया है ताकि 3 के लिए कुछ बचा के रखना चाहिए बोल के कि लेट्स गिव अ यू नो अ टीजर फॉर पार्ट 3 ऐसा लगा. बट वो सीन भी मुझे बहुत बहुत लंबा लगा पहले तो. एंड पेट्रियोटिक स्मगलर तो मैंने पहली बार देखा है. मतलब आई डोंट नो उसको सैल्यूट क्यों कर रहे थे. मतलब वो आर्मी ऑफिसर थोड़ी है. मतलब दैट वाज टू मच. और सेकेंड हाफ में टुवर्ड्स द एंड
By the way, the scene that Agarthi is talking about happens in the first 5-10 minutes of the film. When you have just sat in, तब ये हो चुका है. Continue.
हाँ. And the last scene जिसमें वो ड्रैकुला बन जाता है. That scene also. Okay. क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? Because it felt like I am back into those 80s Bollywood films जिसमें एक बहन है जिसका काम है कि उसको लोग ईव टीज करेंगे और हीरो विल कम एट द एंड ऑफ द डे टू सेव हर. उसको बहुत लंबा खींचा. वो वहीं पे खत्म हो जाना चाहिए था. वो जो काली डांस, दैट डांस वाज देयर ना, उसके बाद का जो सीन था वहां पे वो एंगल खत्म हो जाना चाहिए था. एंड में फहाद फासिल से एंड होना था. फहाद फासिल को तो ऐसे ही लोगों ने हटा दिया, मतलब कि ये तो ऐसे ही है, लाइक अ 7th ग्रेडर. तो मूवी थोड़ा छोटा भी हो जाता, अराउंड 25-30 मिनट्स शॉर्ट भी हो जाता और थोड़ा लास्ट में अच्छे से क्लोजर होता. बट फहाद, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया फहाद फासिल मर गया या उसके साथ क्या हुआ. I don't understand.
So I was of the movie देखते वक्त we will talk about these elements because what has happened, it's the debacle also and it is working for the film as well. So what has happened, पहले उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. पहले बात करते हैं about the last part. So when I was watching the movie मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था कि अब the Japan sequence has to start. You know, I was waiting for that क्योंकि psychologically that is what we are attuned to. शुरुआत से उससे हुआ है, खत्म उस पे ही होगा. So that is about to happen. After that Gangotamma वाला scene that happens in that amazing performance from Allu Arjun, that gets wrapped up. I was waiting for that segment to start. However, I saw कि ये angle अभी चल रहा है with the sister thing happening. उसके that time I had to check my time कि कितना मूवी बचा है because I was like ये तो काफी चल रहा है. And I realized कि hey, we are heading towards the climax. Cut to there was an interview done by Rajamouli where he had said that this is the best climax you are ever going to watch in Indian cinema. He had hyped it up big time. वो जो उसका जो PR event था उसमें he had said that the climax, the last 15 minutes of Pushpa 2 is something that you have never seen it before, something that has not happened and it's going to be epic. That is what Rajamouli said and that was there in my mind. So I was like okay, so abhi wo iska matlab this is the time and it's going to come. However, I know that if Rajamouli had shot it, वो grand feel आता. वो grand feel मेरे को जब तक he did not kill it, I did not get that grand feel of the scene. When वो जो final scene था, कौन जो भी विलन था, जो भी भतीजा था, उसको जब तक वो मारा नहीं तब तक मेरे को ग्रैंड लगा नहीं. मेरे को it was physically
चल रहा है.
He did it really well. उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. But the way Rajamouli set it up, because when you have a salute of Ramcharan standing with a bow and you get that feel कि अच्छा they are trying to put Ramcharan as Lord Sri Ram in RRR, you get that wow, how smartly done. Yeah, वो यहाँ पे vibe इसमें climax में नहीं आया. That is the moment he had killed. Even if you go to Salar, the moment when Prabhas is standing and there is like a goddess Kali वाला vibe कि पीछे सबके हाथ में खड़ग है और Prabhas का, till you have that scene, तब तक you don't get that vibe. Rajamouli does it really well. I don't think Sukumar did to that level. कि भाई what a climax man. Yeah, too good.
यार honestly मेरे को last में भी feel नहीं आया. Because I didn't care about that character. और जिसको भी last में मारा, वो जब से आया था फिल्म में तब से मेरे को वो पूरा एंगल ही बहुत बोरिंग लग रहा था.
And my expectation was, I went with a friend, my expectation was that at this point when he is completely trapped, Fahad will come in and help him. Because that becomes more, grand in the end. That you have two polarizing hero and villain coming together and setting up for part 3 maybe, or however they want to do it. Because I knew, the moment I checked my watch, I knew कि गया. Japan angle नहीं हो रहा है. They're going to end it. It's going to end at this and you're going to be hooked up to see what happened in Japan. ठीक है? Now talking about this, let us, इतना सारा I have read on internet, इतने सारे reels, let me put and everything together. हुआ क्या है? सबसे पहले they launched 100 दिन पहले एक teaser of Pushpa 2. If you have seen that teaser. That teaser was about Pushpa is nowhere available. Where is Pushpa? Where is Pushpa? Let's find
Yeah.
Pushpa. और वो जंगल में एक शेर आता है, शेर नहीं, हाँ शेर ही आता है,
शेर ही था, right?
हाँ तो वो आता है और फिर
No, it was lion, I think.
नहीं लायन शेर होता है, जो टाइगर आता है, टाइगर आता है और फिर
अच्छा,
उसके वो रहता है, पुष्पा पीछे रहता है, वो फॉरेस्ट कैंप में आता है कि पुष्पा जिंदा है. That was the teaser for Pushpa 2 apparently, but actually that was the thing that they wanted to put it off in Pushpa 3. Pushpa 2 was shot pehle with this whole thing in mind that they were going to. So I'll tell you what was pre Pushpa की entry पुलिस स्टेशन में. That was जो पहला शूट हुआ है, वो पूरा स्टोरी लाइन till second half का beginning. Second half को पूरा फिर you scrap. Second half का end, the climax part जब वो the sister को बचाता है, वो part and the bomb blast that was shot in sequence. कि वो बड़ा part पूरा in sequence था कि वो blast होगा. Now the question is पुष्पा मर गया क्या, पुष्पा मर गया क्या, and all of that. But Pushpa is alive and he is in hiding and he'll come back in part 3. That is how they had set it up. But when they shot it, Sukumar felt कि वो vibe नहीं आ रहा है. So they shot the temple wala segment again, and in that mix they have added the Japan segment in the beginning, and they have left it like that. कि अब वो part 3 में वो आएगा, अब वो part 3 में, because now that segment will carry the weight of part 2, और वो part 3 में सीधा वो आएगा.
Also, जापान सेगमेंट का मेरे को ये भी समझ में नहीं आया कि it wasn't very clear whether it was a dream or it happened somewhere. Yeah, मतलब that's what I concluded, but it was not very clear because it transformed into that वो बचपन का some childhood trauma का scene,
and then
उसके बाद वो सीधा उठता है. तो मुझे क्लैरिटी तो नहीं मिला. आई एम जस्ट अज्यूमिंग कि वो शायद हुआ होगा और वो पार्ट 3 में आएगा.
No. As a expert online researcher on these topics, ये मेरे को बिल्कुल अच्छे से इतना सारा reels I've seen by now that this is how they have somehow triangulated and put things together for Pushpa 2, which is at least for a lack of better word working at the box office. It is raking in all the money possible. They want to do Pushpa 3. Obviously,
I also feel that at this point, I feel no matter what you do, बॉक्स ऑफिस पे 1500 करोड़ होगा ही. और पुष्पा 3 में भी ये लोग कुछ भी करे होगा ही एट दिस पॉइंट. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील नाउ. इतना रेज है, एंड द स्टैंडर्ड्स आल्सो बाय व्हिच पीपल व्यू अ हिंदी फिल्म वर्सेस अ साउथ इंडियन, दैट वेरीज अ लॉट. आई एम लाइक, तुम जवान और पठान को इतना खराब बोलते हो, बट पुष्पा 2 तो या वर्ल्ड क्लास. व्हाट अ फिल्म. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. सब एक ही खेत की मूली है यार ये सब. Some people will like it. There are people who would prefer these kinds of films कि बस एक्शन दिखा दो, ज्यादा कुछ, there shouldn't be anything too serious in the film. So वैसा ऑडियंस है, I am agreeing to that. But at this moment I feel like जो sensible ऑडियंस भी है, वो भी अभी उनको कुछ भी दिखा दो in the name of पुष्पा 2 और विक्रम, ट्रिपल आर तो फिर भी अच्छा है, बट दिस कैटेगरी ऑफ फिल्म्स अभी सबको सब अच्छा ही लग रहा है. If it's coming from South India.
We'll talk about Vikram. Vikram आपको अच्छा ही लगा क्या? Don't tell me.
Vikram मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा था.
That was very good.
And that is what I expect. If you make an action film, the characters have to be fleshed out properly. Motivations होने चाहिए. Screenplay अच्छा लिखना चाहिए. जो 3-4 characters है उनका सबका कोई रोल होना चाहिए. इसमें तो मुझे लगा फहाद फासिल, I think he was just made into a cartoon. और उसको he was SP, right? So technically an IPS officer.
Doesn't matter.
हाँ वही, that's what I'm saying. It doesn't matter. कुछ भी नाम करो. But उसको कार्टून बना दिया. He was actually an SP. And I was like, ये IPS officer है. इसका कोई ढंग का प्लान नहीं है. He's just doing anything. बस ईगो है इसके अंदर और कुछ नहीं है. So I didn't like the way they dealt with his character particularly. I did not like it at all. और उसको ऐसे ही बस हटा दिया. The moment they felt like कि शायद it's not going anywhere, yeah, I don't know what. बहुत अच्छे से उसको
No, he's alive.
था, but they didn't even
I mean, he's alive and the character is also alive. so they're going to bring him back,
I
obviously.
hope so. But फिर से जोकर बनाने के लिए मत लाओ उसको. He's
No,
such
no,
a good actor. I've seen so many of his Malayalam films. Or
yeah,
they did
obviously,
really
no, I think the majority of first half works because of him being there. Because he was.
No, first half actually ठीक था. फर्स्ट हाफ में ही वाज ओके. वो इंटरवल ब्लॉक भी बहुत अच्छा था. यू नो, इंटरवल ब्लॉक को ऐसे सेटअप किया था कि लग रहा था अभी फहद फासिल मतलब अभी के बीच एकदम घमासान होने वाला है.
Yeah, or he's going to go all out.
कुछ भी नहीं.
He's going to go all out.
बट हुआ कुछ नहीं.
हाँ.
फिर पूरा स्टोरी डाइग्रेस हो गया. अरे एक बहन भी है, चलो उसके साथ क्या कर सकते हैं. सॉरी भतीजी, नॉट बहन, भतीजी.
नो, और वो भैया वाला एंगल तो बिल्कुल मेरे दिमाग में था ही नहीं, दैट ये भी एक कैरेक्टर है एंड ही वांट्स दैट वैलिडेशन एंड रिकॉग्निशन फ्रॉम देम. नो, दैट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट एज टू हाउ वी gauge these movies, because अगर I completely agree, same platform पे judge नहीं करते. There's a complete entertainment filter to when you watch a Pushpa 2. That was it entertaining? Did you मजा आया? Because that is the tone that it is pitched at. And then you watch a Hindi film, then when you want to have that sensibility in place. Sense बन रहा है कि नहीं? ये मतलब का चीज है कि नहीं? All of that
because
has
at the end of the day, see, we have not historically watched Telugu or Tamil films, right?
Yeah.
We are seeing a lot of films which are like 8-10 years old. But Hindi films we have been seeing continuously for these many years. So ultimately, if we are watching Shah Rukh Khan as Pathan, what do we expect from him? We have seen him in such great roles, Chak De India, Devdas, this that, ठीक है. तो हम लोग एक लेवल से देखते कि इतना अच्छा एक्टिंग तो करना ही है. उससे नीचे जहाँ गया, it's like बहुत खराब है फिल्म.
And similar akin to that, the Telugu films that I have really enjoyed, you know, because then मेरा भी comparison point वही बन जाता है. मेरी ताकत मेरा फैसला, डॉन नंबर 1.
Oh, you're seeing Hindi dubbed.
हाँ, तो मेरा बेस पूरा वो है. तो मेरा जो बेस है, for when I'm comparing, I'm just self-analyzing, like when I'm thinking, तो मेरा बेस वही है. I'm not comparing it to a very sensible, very very heartfelt film. कल हो ना हो से I'm not comparing to Schindler's List. I'm not comparing to the great iconic films that I have seen and that has moved me a lot. I'm comparing it to Don Number 1, Surya Bhai, Mass,
Meri Jang One Man Army,
Indra the Tiger, one of my favorite films.
Yeah.
So Indra the Tiger had a lot of content. It's a very good film. I really love that film. So मेरा बेस वही है. जब मैंने इसीलिए अच्छा इसके कंपैरिजन में तो हाँ भाई ये ठीक ही ठाक बनाया है. मतलब it could have been great. Obviously Pushpa 2 had a lot of scope to do great stuff. मैं तो Pushpa 1 भी पसंद नहीं आया था, to be honest. Pushpa 1 कैसे पैसा कमा लिया I don't know, but it did.
Pushpa 1, I told you right, 3 years back I started watching the film on Amazon Prime. After 45 minutes I shut it down. मेरे को इतना मजा नहीं आ रहा था, but later इतना hype हो गया film, and before watching Pushpa 2 I watched Pushpa 1 just 3-4 days before that. I was like हाँ ठीक था film, there was story at least. But second half में थोड़ा मतलब one में at least they stuck to one storyline और उसको शुरू से एंड तक फिनिश किया. यहाँ पे बहुत डाइग्रेस हुआ मेन पॉइंट से, which I did not like.
Again, the reason why they have to digress is because है ही नहीं मसाला. That is what I'm trying to say. उनके पास स्कोप ही नहीं है. बार उनको वही सैंडलवुड को इधर से उधर करते हुए to bypass a police officer, to bypass government, to bypass. So that is why they took a route so that they could do a freaking 2,000 crore film.
अरे तो बट माय थिंग है सैंडलवुड का वो दिखाना है तो वही दिखाओ ना. फाफा उसी में है ना, बहन कहाँ से आई, सॉरी भतीजी कहाँ से आई.
कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना.
कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट है. दैट इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हिज his business smuggling. उससे वो एकदम ही अलग स्टोरी लाइन, और उसको
क्योंकि
बहुत लंबा खींचा।
उसमें और स्कोप ही नहीं है, कितना बार करेगा, आप बोर हो जाओगे कि बार बार। फर्स्ट हाफ में भी यही कर रहा था, सेकंड हाफ में भी यही। इसका प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट देखने के लिए मूवी देख रहे हैं कि कैसे कैसे ये हर बार एक प्रोजेक्ट उठाता है। इसका कॉन्ट्रैक्टर गिरी देखने के लिए हम ये कर रहे हैं, मूवी देखने जाते हैं हर बार माल पहला बार में माल, मूवी शुरू होती है बोलता है ऑर्डर ले रहे हैं, इंटरवल में ऑर्डर कंप्लीट करता है, फिर सेकंड हाफ में नया ऑर्डर ले लेता है। और ये प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीशन देखने के लिए
और चैलेंजेस उसमें लाना पड़ेगा। पुष्पा 3 कैसे बनाएगा, उसमें क्या दिखाएगा, अगर अभी ही 2 में ही उनको पता नहीं कि क्या करना है।
The fans have spoken. So I'll tell you what the fans are saying. Right? They're saying that the guy that you see in the movie in the beginning is not Pushpa. It's Pushpa's son. They're going to see the reaction. So okay, one second.
No, that doesn't make sense at all.
Yeah. So
वो अपने ड्रीम में
obviously
कैसे चला, वो अपने चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी में कैसे चला गया गाँव
exactly
में।
exactly. So
अभी देखना, ये ऐसा फैन थ्योरीज को भी ना ये लोग पढ़ के उसमें से इनको लिखना तो आता नहीं है, उठा लेंगे कुछ और रैंडम कुछ भी बना देंगे, जो कि अगर तुम तीनों पार्ट को एक साथ रखोगे तो कोई सेंस नहीं बनेगा। एक और मेरा एक कंप्लेन है पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 में। ओके, पार्ट 1 में दिस अपना हीरो he gives 5,000 rupees to the girl कि आके मेरे को किस करो, ठीक है। एंड सेकेंड पार्ट में औरतों का रखवाला बन गया, एंड हिज वाइफ इज सेइंग ये ऐसा है मेरा पति, इस गांव में किसी को भी कोई टच करेगा तो ये आएगा बचाने। लाइक यार, तुम क्रिमिनल फिल्म बना लो अच्छे से, इतना उसको व्हाइट वॉश करके गॉड इमेज दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है। इट्स कंप्लीटली अननेसेसरी मेनी थिंग्स। ये बोला ना कि उनको ये भी दिखाना है, फिर उनको पेट्रियोटिज्म भी दिखाना है, उनको ये भी दिखाना है कि अभी इसको बहुत अंदर से वो जाग गया इसका रखवाला बनने का।
No, fair enough point. Especially जब if you watch it recently, then it'll और अच्छे से याद आएगा, क्योंकि मेरे को याद भी नहीं था जब तक कभी बताया नहीं, तब तक मेरे को याद भी नहीं आया कि ये सीन था, which was there, that he had given 5K only in part 1.
5K only. अरे but that was
nice cameo.
Oh, just ignore her.
What is her name?
Which she keeps on doing. Phoebe.
Phoebe. Oh, nice Phoebe. Hi Phoebe. क्या नाम था उसका? Chandler. Okay. So, all right. So, well, how are they going to go forward from this point? Again, अगर shooting complete हो चुकी है, so they have everything ready and they have set for part 3. If they have not doing it, if they have not done the shoot, maybe there is a scope for a new villain to come in with what they have set up. Most likely that person, obviously, I to pakka feel that now, considering the amount of money this movie is making, they will not reshoot, but if they have to shoot, they will shoot with a new villain in place and probably bring Fafa in the mix. So to make it like a multi-starrer, big thing in the last. Hopefully,
I just hope they use him.
In the last
I just hope they use his talent.
All right. On that note, from the kind of media that this movie is getting, and the kind of hype, now you can absolutely say that this might become the most grossing Indian movie of all time. It might reach there as well. Sukumar will obviously be set up for a part 3 in the mix. What do you think they should focus more in part 3 if they have to nail it as a movie, as a standalone movie? Bring Fafa in.
Use him, don't digress. एक स्टोरी लाइन पकड़ के उसको ढंग से क्लोजर दो.
Okay.
ये मेरा बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है. In any movie this should be there. And also they need to work on their music, because music in this film was really bad. मतलब मुझे एक भी गाना पसंद नहीं आया. बस वो एक.
One question.
Was good.
Did you see it in Hindi?
I saw it in Hindi. क्योंकि यहाँ पे सबटाइटल्स नहीं है.
Oh damn! ये बहुत बड़ा दिक्कत है. No, because I saw it in Telugu. Subtitles were there, and yeah. And I have told this thing in my review.
I called and checked also. कि किसी में भी subtitles है क्या? नहीं है यहाँ पे because local language, so they don't feel the need to put subtitles.
So in the Kisik song हुआ क्या था? जब वो आया, जब गाना चालू हुआ, so we were sitting, me and my friend were sitting, और उसके बगल में भी एक बंदा बैठा था. तो जैसे ही वो गाना आया, वो पूरी मूवी वो ऐसे था, बिल्कुल आराम से देख रहा था. ठीक है, जैसे ही वो गाना, जैसी लीला स्क्रीन पर आई, वो ऐसे हो गया, बिल्कुल अटेंटिव, आगे सेम रिएक्शन. जब मेरा कोई मर्डर मिस्ट्री या जब कुछ केस सॉल्व हो रहा था, आई गो फॉरवर्ड, आगे स्क्रीन पे थिंकिंग, वो बिल्कुल उस पोज पे आ गया था. देन द गाय नेक्स्ट टू मी बोला कि देखो देवरा, हाँ वो होता है. तो देवरा में भी आई सी द सेम थिंग. देन जानवी केम ऑन द स्क्रीन फॉर दैट सॉन्ग. मेरे आगे के रो के मर्द, वो लोग ट्रेडिंग कर रहे थे पूरी मूवी के समय. जैसी वो आए, जैसी है वो सब अटेंटिव, बिल्कुल ध्यान से उसको 3 मिनट वो बिल्कुल ध्यान से उस फिल्म को देखा. सेम रिएक्शन जब मूवी हॉल में when Sheila came on the screen. So okay, Fafa should be there, song should be better, one story that should run across, I mean throughout the film. What else? A new villain?
New villain should be वैसे they forgot about that one villain in first part. एक जॉली रेड्डी था. I was like उसका भी कुछ चालू होएगा, बट उसका भी वो भी उसको भी भूल गए लोग.
जॉली रेड्डी याद नहीं, वो मर गया था. नहीं, मंगलम सिंह
नहीं मरा नहीं था. जॉली रेड्डी was the guy who tried to sleep with. He gave an offer to श्रीवल्ली. बट वो कुछ हुआ नहीं. एंड इन द एंड देयर वाज लाइक अ चैलेंज बिटवीन द टू कि तुम ठीक होके आना मेरे पास, उसके बाद वी विल शो. उसके बाद मैं बताऊंगा कि मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. तो उसको वो लोग भूल चुके हैं. तो आई थिंक मे बी पार्ट 3 में आए.
आई डोंट थिंक वो लोग याद भी रखेंगे. दे हैव बिगर फिश टू फ्राई. They have bigger sandalwood projects to complete. They have bigger wood to smuggle than Jolly Reddy. Maybe, you never know. They can.
That is exactly the problem, na? कि you spend like 45 minutes in one film on one character. और सेकंड पार्ट में भूल गए. उसके बाद वो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं था. तो उस फिल्म में उसको 45 मिनट स्क्रीन टाइम क्यों दिया? If it was not important. It's a lot, right?
It's a lot. We'll see in part 3 because maybe this is because I'm going to say RGV ka line. RGV has raved about how Vangaru used clips that were not relevant in the film, that did not add to the story, but he just used them, and that broke filmmaking norms and filmmaking structures, because it has according to him it has revolutionized filmmaking. Because now you can put anything in the film, and as long as it does not make sense, doesn't matter. It is just there. It has no other purpose other than just being in that film. And he's talking most likely about segments and lines and dialogues and the scenes where Ranveer is asking about his underwear size and all of that with no relevance. वो आगे क्या होगा उसका कोई कुछ backend नहीं. Much like life, apparently, is what he's trying to say. So maybe it is an extension of what Jolly Reddy is. एक film में आपको
because I'm completely okay with it. तुमको अगर extra scenes ऐसे ही डालने हैं which doesn't contribute anything to the story or character, that is completely okay. But then don't make the film 3 hours 15 minutes long. इतना लंबा मत करो. 2.5 घंटे तक मुझे फिल्म बर्दाश्त होता है. उसके बाद अगर तुम नॉनसेंसिकल सीन्स डालोगे तो आई एम नॉट एबल टू सिट फॉर मैं 10 बजे गई फिल्म देखने और मैं निकली हूँ 2:30 बजे.
Another cameo, but the problem is the people do not know ना उस समय कि ये काम यूज करना होगा कि नहीं होगा. शूटिंग वक्त तो सब कुछ को यूज करना है. उसके बाद तो पता चलता है कि भाई लाइक अब we know कि हाँ जॉली रेड्डी
एडिटर को क्या करना है. एडिटर का तो
Imagine,
यही काम है, काटो और अच्छे
imagine,
से।
imagine ये एडिट होके 3:20 का है, तो एक्चुअल फ्लोर पे कितना गया होगा?
भाई साहब, मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन इट्स अ लगान एंड इट्स 3 hours 10 minutes लॉन्ग, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज इसमें है इतना स्टोरी, उसमें ज्यादा तुमको कोई भी सीन बेकार नहीं लगेगा, एक्स्ट्रा एडेड नहीं लगेगा, बट इसमें तुम ऐड करके क्यों इतना लंबा बना रहे हो?
All
इधर यूज
right.
करो।
Yeah, we'll see how they fare in part 3. Well, after this thorough discussion, this was all we have from the episode 2 of SCP, Saturday Cinema Podcast. Hey, we are shooting on a Saturday. I did not notice. Thank you so much, Akriti. Let us keep talking. Let's keep messaging each other and figuring out which episode we want to do next. Chalo, have a good one. Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.